Is Busuu the best app to learn a language? Learning a language used to mean sitting in a classroom, memorizing endless lists of verbs and hoping someday you'd actually speak. But apps like Busuu have turned that process upside down. In 2026, Busuu is one of the most popular platforms worldwide, promising that you can learn fast, speak naturally, and even practice with real people. But is it really the best app for learning a language this year, or just another overhyped name in the market? When you first open Busuu, it feels well-designed and intuitive. The app starts by asking what language you want to learn and what your goals are, whether it's for travel, work, or personal growth. Then, it builds a personalized study plan based on your schedule. You can choose how many minutes per day you want to study, and the app adapts lessons to your pace. The lessons are short, practical, and interactive. Busuu combines reading, writing, listening, and speaking exercises, but what makes it stand out is its community feature. You can send your written or spoken exercises to real native speakers and get corrections directly from them. That's something most apps don't offer, and it makes a huge difference when you're trying to sound natural. The AI-powered tools also play a big role.
Je m'appelle Seb.
In 2026, Busoo's speech recognition and feedback system has become much smarter.
Sophie.
It listens to your pronunciation in real time, compares it to native speakers, and helps you adjust word by word. It's not perfect, but it's surprisingly accurate.
Au revoir.
Busuu also includes grammar tips, vocabulary lists, and cultural insights that make the learning process more complete. You're not just memorizing words, you're understanding how the language works in real life. Whether you're learning Spanish, French, Japanese, or Arabic, each course feels customized to the language's specific challenges. One of Busuu's best updates this year is the offline mode. You can download entire lessons and study anywhere without using data. The syncing system automatically updates your progress once you reconnect, which is perfect for traveling or studying on the go. Now, let's talk about pricing. Busuu offers a free version with limited lessons and a premium plan that unlocks full courses, offline access, and AI review tools. Compared to competitors like Duolingo Plus or Babbel Live, Busuu's pricing is reasonable and often goes on sale. For serious learners, the premium plan is worth it. Performance-wise, the app runs smoothly, lessons load fast, and the design feels polished. The visuals are clean, the audio quality is high, and the progress tracking motivates you to keep going. You get reminders, streak goals, and milestones that make the process addictive in a good way. Of course, no app is perfect. Some users might find Busuu's free version too limited, and a few lessons can feel repetitive. Also, while the AI feedback is impressive, it can't fully replace a human tutor for advanced learners. But overall, it strikes a great balance between technology, real interaction, and structure. The biggest strength of Busuu is its human touch. Learning with real people, not just an algorithm, makes it feel more authentic. The mix of AI feedback and native speaker corrections gives you both precision and confidence. So, is Busuu the best app to learn a language in 2026? It might just be. It's practical, modern, and genuinely effective for learners of all levels. If you've been thinking about learning a new language this year, Busuu is one of the best ways to actually stick with it and see results. Real conversations, smart AI feedback, and structured lessons all in one place. If this review helped you, don't forget to share it, like it, and help others find the right tools for their learning journey. Keep practicing, keep improving, and never stop speaking with Busuu.